𝗏𝗏𝗏 is an application designed by Rocket Consulting to improve the overall user interface of the standard SAP ITS mobile application. The login screen demonstrates the clean and modern look and feel of the application, as well as showcasing the company branding feature, which enables company-specific logos and colour schemes to be present throughout the application in order to improve brand engagement. Decluttered, well-aligned and improved visuals allow for easier navigation through the application, which will improve productivity and reduce user adoption time. The Possible Entries feature provides customizable drop-down lists designed to eliminate the need to memorize and manually re-enter frequently inputted information. A green confirmation tick will appear to show the user when the correct barcode information has been scanned into the device. This feature is designed to provide confidence and minimize errors. The product imaging feature is a simple yet effective tool that enables the user to view the product image that they are working with. Having this feature will improve user engagement into the company's products and services. Another set of unique features within 𝗏𝗏𝗏 can be found under the Fast Access menu. The Fast Access menu provides information on transaction stages which can be used to better pinpoint any errors that have been encountered to improve resolution times. The Snap and Go feature enables the user to take a photo on a live warehouse issue and instantly report them back into the warehouse manager, whilst having minimal impact on their own productivity. The User Profile and KPI feature provides detailed information on warehouse operatives' activity and helps to highlight key performers or training needs in the workforce.